So when you walk into our hotel room, you have the living room. So cute. You have the kitchen. Then you have the bathroom. I graduate today with my master's degree.
They make a whole lot of noise.
So yeah, y'all, I moved to Atlanta a couple of weeks ago. And this is my new apartment. So yeah, here is a sneak peek of my new apartment. I am so excited about it. I love it. I live North Atlanta now. I'm finally settled. I'm finally all unpacked. It feels so amazing. I can't wait to give you guys an apartment tour. You know I'm gonna do that. All in all, I'm excited to see what this city has in store for me. I'm turning my baby into Caliber Collisions this morning because I got in a fender bender recently. But I love you. Y'all, why did Enterprise give me this big old truck, this big old pickup truck as my rental? This is my rental car. It's so huge. Like, what am I about to do with all this? But anyway, so me and my new car just pulled up to Lenox. I'm in a clothes shopping mood. But yeah, y'all, look at this bag I just got. I got this Steve Madden backpack. I don't know if the light is picking up. Yeah, so, oh my God, it matches my nails. I am so predictable. Like, just, I'm gonna do it myself. Anyway, so this is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. But yeah, it's a nice day in the A. So I'm out here running some errands. Y'all, this car is so huge. And I like big cars though, so it's cool.